Hi friends, welcome back to the SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. The base dimension is 100 by 80 and thickness is 15 mm. Friends, I am requesting you to all please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select extruded boss, select top plane, select center rectangle, give the dimensions. This is 100 mm, this is 80 mm. Finish sketch, extrude up to 15 mm. So next there is a one half circular part that diameter is outer diameter 60, inner diameter 40, length is 80 mm, distance from the bottom is 60 mm. For that select front plane, sketch, select circle, create two circles, select line, select trim entities, give the dimensions here to here 60 mm. Outer diameter is 60 R30, inner diameter is 40 R20. Select the midpoint of the circle, select origin point, give vertical constraint. Sketch is fully defined, finish sketch, select extruded boss. Here select mid plane, length we required 80 mm. Next there is a one center plate to connect both the parts. Select front plane, sketch, select line, select this circle, select convert entities. So finish sketch, extrude, select mid plane, thickness is 10 mm, apply. Next there is a rib both side, 10 mm thickness, center of the object. For that select right plane, sketch, normal, select line, finish sketch, select rib. So direction showing outside the object, we need to reverse this. Click the arrow, so reverse. Thickness we require 10 mm, apply. Both side rib we required. Select rib, select mirror, select the mid plane, apply. Next there are 4 holes, diameter 10, dimension is 15 mm both side, pitch we required 50 and 70. Select this surface, sketch, select circle, give the dimension 15 mm, diameter is 10 mm. So you can do this pattern. Select circle, select linear sketch pattern, so pitch is 70 mm, select y axis, reverse the direction, pitch is 50 mm. Finish sketch, select extruded cut, here select through hole, apply. So you can see all the edges there is a fillet dimension is 10 mm, select fillet 10 mm, select the edges, apply. So I hope all the features are added. Now I am going to material. I will go with steel. Metal I will go with steel. In the steel I will go with brushed steel. So now we can assign the color here. Edit appearances. Save the part. So that's it, friends. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment box. And also once again I am requesting you to all please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more like these videos. So thanks for watching this video, friends.